Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power basics. Use the Bose charger or a 5V/2A certified adapter and check the USB cable for visible damage. Once done, unplug everything and clean the charging contacts on the speaker and charger with a 70% isopropyl swab. This removes corrosion that blocks current. Then perform a power cycle. Hold the power button for 10 seconds until lights blink, which resets charging firmware. This clears simple software glitches and prepares the unit for the next diagnostic steps. Now you dive into diagnostics. Plug the charger into a different known good outlet and swap cables to isolate the cord. If available, try a powered USB port on a PC. Once you've ruled out external power, open the bottom panel to access the battery, remove screws carefully, and inspect the connector, wires, and solder joints for burn marks or loose contacts. These often break with drops. Then measure battery voltage with a multimeter. Compare the reading to the nominal battery spec to determine if the pack has failed. If the battery reads low or shows open circuit, replace it with an OEM or equivalent pack. Once installed, resolder any loose joints using a fine 0.8 mm tip to restore reliable connections. Reassemble the speaker, then charge uninterrupted for 2 to 3 hours while monitoring LED behavior. Steady amber then green indicates success. If the speaker still won't charge, the charging board or internal regulator may be bad. At that point, replace the board or take the unit to a qualified technician for safe component level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.